In this video, you're going to learn exactly how I stay out of markets that would have been traps. Watch till the end. Please do well to subscribe to this channel because it encourages us to do more. I also have lots of videos on this channel that will drastically transform your trading. Do well to watch, like, and drop your questions, and I will attend to them by making a video to explain it in depth. Enjoy the video. Hello, good morning, people. So today is Thursday, 20th of August. Okay, so I saw a setup that looks like a trap, and I have come to share with you the kind of of markets that you should avoid if you are interested in trading my system. Looks very enticing, but you should do well to avoid. What I always advise is that once you see a market that you are confused of where it wants to go, you have to be spending so much time on analysis, then you should avoid the market. If you force it, you are most likely going to lose money. If it is not clear whether it's going to be a buy or a sell, and you force it, whether you buy or you sell, you're going to lose money on it. You're going to lose money on it. There are times the market will, if you even when you decide to buy and sell at the same time, you may lose money on both sides because it's just buy and sell and take you out, and then before it now goes to the direction it actually wanted to go to. So always look out for something that is clear. Clarity is a strategy on its own. Let me come again. Clarity is a strategy on its own. If it is not clear, don't take it. Okay, leave it. Market it will bring the clear one to you. It will bring that one that you will know you are even wrong if you did not take it. You feel very guilty for not taking it. Are you seeing it now? And such markets, when you now take them and it goes south, maybe it doesn't play out, you'll be very happy, you'll be at peace. You won't want to revenge because you know you followed everything that you should have followed. Okay, so clarity is strategy. Now let's look at the market. Now this is the market that I saw that I was actually interested in it, but looking at it, it is not clear. So what do I do when it's not clear? I will stay away. I'll stay away from it. Now look at it here. This is NASDAQ. Okay, this is NASDAQ. Now what is market doing? So I don't know. I was just seeing a sell on it, and then on a second thought, I'm now seeing that the impulse is too much, so I'm staying out of the market. Look at it. I saw this as sweeping of an old eye. This 1 hour time frame NASDAQ. Then market came, and I'm seeing this as a break of structure, which is a very weak one. Are you seeing it now? The kind of break of structure I want to see is the impulsive type that moved and then there was gap. It left fair value gaps while doing that. An actual break of structure. If you look at this now, you'll be doubting whether it is a break of structure or not. Are you seeing it now? And if you look at it on another thought, you'll be looking at it as this thing looks like it is already buying. And of course, looking at it, it swept this low without closing below it. So for God's sake, how is this a clear break of structure? It is not clear. Are you seeing it now? Clarity is strategy. But if you look at it, and this is the importance of not jumping any step. Now I'm starting from 1 hour time frame, not jumping step. But if you just jump this 1 hour time frame now and go to 15 minutes time frame, Look at how clear that place looks on 15 minutes time frame. It looks clear on 15 minutes time frame, and that's what almost tricked me into the selling. I can see, and all my parameters, everything I need is there on 15 minutes time frame. This is accumulation. Are you seeing it now? This is inducement. Are you seeing this is an inducement break of structure, only for market to come here, tap and drop. Looks very enticing, right? On 15 minutes time frame, but I'm not going to take it. Okay, I'm not going to take it because on my higher time frame, what I use, my 1 hour time frame, you can see it now. It is not clear. The break of structure is not clean. It's not neat. The break of structure, see, just a little, and it wicked out. Are you seeing now? It wicked out. So I won't sell in this market. I won't buy, because if I decide to buy, the market can decide to sell. If I decide to sell, can decide to buy. Are you seeing that? So in this kind of market, this is the kind of market you should stay out of. Stay out of markets like this, except your system shows you how to trade this with clarity. But if it's my system that I explain on this channel, you stay out of things like this, because the break of structure is not impulsive. An impulsive break of structure should leave gaps. There should be fair value gaps. Are you seeing it? And it should leave gaps. And if it does not, it should break structure properly. Are you seeing it now? So you trade things in context. Another thing I looked at again is that the market structure here is not so clear for me. Market structure is not clear. So it's not so clear. Are you seeing it now? It's not clear. It's not clear. Are you seeing it? Came and swept this. So it's not clear for me. And then where this market, the whole of this is located, where the whole of this zone is located, is not located at a high, at a resistance. If there's a resistance, I can, okay, let me even short it. But see where it's located. It's located at almost a support area. So why should I be selling at support? Are you seeing it now? Why should I be selling at support? So these are the small contexts. Support is the base part that pushes price up. Resistance is here that pushes price down. So why should I be selling at where has a greater likelihood to push price up? Context is king. And clarity is a strategy. Context is king and clarity is a strategy. Are you seeing it now? Go for clarity at all times. Let it be clear. If it is clear, if you take a loss, you'll be happy you took that loss. That was a good loss. But when you take a loss from taking a trade that you forced, that was not clear, you won't be happy you did. Okay. So there's one I think, let me say US30. US30. I think I'm seeing something that looks like a setup. Okay. So there is, what do I want to see? This 1 hour time frame US30. I want to see market clear an old high, which it did here, and then it turned around. Let's get the structure first. Let's delineate the structure. So this is slow. Let's take this as high, low. The shelf liquidity, and then shelf liquidity also here. So we have a low. Are you seeing it high? Low, and then market broke structure here. Are you seeing it now? Good. So now let's go back. What do we have here? What do we want to see on 1 hour time frame? As always, we want to see market sweep a low. That swept liquidity here, okay, and it swept a low. We want to see that. Then we also want to see market turn around and break structure. So market swept this low, it now turned around. Let's say this is the high here. This is the high that produced this last thing we are calling low. So market turned around and broke structure here. It broke structure here. Are you seeing it now? So that's the second thing we need. We want to see the sweep of an old low, which we have here. Market now turns around and broke structure to the upside. Okay, and so what caused the break of structure? This other block here. So let's mark the things we want to see on 1 hour time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, this is the sweep of an old low. Let's mark that as liquidity sweep. So that's liquidity sweep, liquidity. Then market now turns around and break structure to the opposite direction. So we have a break of structure here. We have a break of structure here. Okay, break of structure to the top. So we have a break of structure here. What caused this break of structure? This other block down here. Okay, this other block. So what do I always choose as my other block? This candle. My other block should be what? The low of my other block should be what? Lower than the candle before it and after it. Are you seeing? That's why I always choose that. Are you seeing it now? So this is the candle before market gave that push. Okay, in fact this is the first break of structure self. This is actually the break of structure here. Are you seeing it now? So this is the other block here. This is your market first broke structure. So this is the other block here. So let me mark that other block first. Okay, let me mark this break of structure too. This is actually what is the real break of structure was. Yes, this is the break of structure that gave market structure shifts. Okay. So let's mark that one too as a break of structure. Break of structure. Okay. So actually that's what we are regarding as our. Let's take out that. So that's the break of structure. So let's mark our other block. So let's mark our break other block. So we are marking this green candle here, just as I described. So that's our other block. Let me make it something transparent, right? So after we have gotten all this, so we have seen the three things we always look out for on 1 hour time frame. Repeatable system. If you go through my videos, it's the same thing, win or loss. Are you seeing? And that's why I'm confident enough to always make these videos even before the market play out. Other videos out there that you watch, you see that they will wait for market to play out before even if they took the trades, they wait for market to play out before they are confident enough to put out their videos. But what I'm showing you real as it is, as it happens daily. And some people, when it doesn't play out, if they hit a loss, they won't upload the video. But that's not what we teach here. We teach transparency. Okay, as I'm seeing the setup, I share it, win or loss. The most important thing I'm sharing is the lessons you learn in the video, and you see, and the system that I trade every day. Okay, also because this channel is used to document, I'm using it to document my trades, and I'm just letting you have a peep of my thought process while taking all my trades. That's one of the main purposes of this YouTube channel. We are seeing it now. So I won't be selecting the good ones and the bad ones. No, I'm using this to document my trades. Okay, and then giving you the opportunity to learn from it in real time. Are you seeing it now? In real time. Okay, so what are the things we always look out for on 1 hour time frame? First, I'm just doing a recap. We want to see sweep of an old low. We want to see market turn around and break structure, which it did here. And then we want to mark another block, the other block that caused that break of structure. I hope you are good with that. All right, so next thing we'll do is to scale down to 15 minutes time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. We'll scale down to 15 minutes time frame. Beautiful. So having scaled down to 15 minutes time frame, what do you want to do? We now want to refine that other block to a 15 minutes time frame other block. Are you seeing it now? I want to refine that order block to that of 15-minute time frame. Okay, so right here, what are we going to take as our order block? From this zone, this red candle should be our order block. This one that looks like a gravestone, this dodgy, this particular one, this red candle, not this first one before the green candle. This one will be our order block. So let's do that first. Meanwhile, I'm not going to take this trade from here. I prefer to go for the extreme. This is where I'm going to take my trade from. But let's mark this one. Let's follow the process, okay? So let me mark that candle as my order block. So this is what I'd mark as the order block. This. Are you seeing it now? Let me extend this so that so that is what I will mark as my order block. And if I am going to enter this trade, two things are involved. I will either enter this trade here. Where do you think my stop will be? My stop will be below this place and target the other side, 3.75. If I would want to enter, I can't enter now because I've not seen inducement yet. Okay, I want to see inducement first. That's one, but I won't even enter this trade here. I won't enter this trade here. Why? Or I'll enter like this and then have another order. The safest place, this trade, I won't enter there. Except, okay, you can enter there and take a 1:3. Okay, the safest place, this is the protected low. This is the protected low. Are you seeing it now? This is the protected low. Because I'm almost sure the market will come here. Are you seeing it now? So either you take your trade here if market gives you an inducement. What's the kind of inducement you are looking for? So let's just assume you are taking a trade here. What do we want to see? So let's do a recap. From 1 hour time frame, we have seen everything we wanted to see. We now scale down to 15 minutes time frame, the time frame we are now. Then we spot out the order block, which we saw to be this red candle here. After we did that, what else? What's the next thing to do? The next thing is not to place a pending order the way I did. The next thing, so let me take this out. The next thing to do is to wait. Till you see what an inducement. So what is inducement? After market moved out like this, after market gave this push from the other block, we want to see that while price was returning to the other block, it gives what? When it got close to the other block, it gives a fake market structure shift. So let me do that now and show you. I want to see that market gives a fake market structure shift to the other side to deceive people to think that the market has started buying again, to induce them into buying before it got to the other block. So let's do that. So while market was returning, this is just accumulation. Are you seeing it now? So let's say market now continues is to return to the other block. While market was returning to the other block, it did a market structure shift, fake market structure shift. And then some people are waiting to enter from here. Are you seeing it? And some people are waiting to enter from around there with their pending order. Some have already jumped in. Then we want market to now come, take them out, hit their stop losses that will be around here, because this place will be too far for them to put their stop losses. Take them out, tap into this, and then we buy. Are you seeing it now? So this is what we are looking out for. So here is our inducement. our inducement is this place. We mark this as our inducement liquidity. Are you seeing that? So this is inducement. Are you seeing it now? And then where is our inducement break of structure? Let's mark our inducement. So this is where it broke structure that deceived people, and the people are thinking, the market is buying, it's not buying. Are you seeing it now? That's our inducement break of structure. Are you seeing it now? So once that has happened, once we have seen that inducement, then our trade is ready. This is how I do it every day, win or loss. Are you seeing it now? This is the system I've used and it has been working for me. Are you seeing it now? If I follow it well, just the way I'm following it now. So my stop loss will be at this protected low, this external low here. This is where I'll place my stop. If the market gets it, then the market I was wrong, then it's not valid anymore. Okay. So this is a 1:3. Safe trade. Are you seeing it now? 1:3. Are you seeing it now? Can I place my pending order now, right now? No. You cannot place it now because market has not given you inducement. Are you seeing it now? Now, another thing I can do is to put this place is a very good place that I would even want to take my trade. Are you seeing it now? Because it's at the extreme. Are you seeing it now? This is a very good place safe place to put your trade. And it would give a much better, much higher risk to reward. Let's mark this other block. It's a clean looking other block. Are you seeing it now? If it is here we are entering the trade from, you can see it. The same trade, the same setup would give us what? 1:6. Double. Are you seeing it now? Double the amount. Are you seeing it now? And for this we are looking for the same thing too. So we also want market to give us, we also want market to what? As market was coming down, maybe probably to use this other block to create inducements. People will think, okay, the market is buying from here, then it will come back down and tap into this and push up. Are you seeing it now? So now this is it. Are you seeing it now? So if I was to choose where to take the trade from, I would take the trade from the extreme. I'll always go for the extreme for this last one. Are you seeing now? We always go for it because you can see this zone. The market makers, they are already seeing it. They are seeing it too, that so many people want to buy from here, so they will drive price through it, and many of them will not want to put their stop losses down here. Their stop losses will just be below here. Are you seeing now? They will drive through it, generate liquidity, and push up. I hope you can see that. So I think this is just the only trade that I'm seeing that is prospective for me. Okay, for me this is just the trade that is prospective. So if I were you, if you are interested in taking this trade, it is not ready. The trade is not ready. There's no inducement both for the first probable entry and the second probable entry. They are not ready because there's no inducement. Are you seeing it now? So you have to wait patiently for it. You have to wait for it if you're interested in taking it. I think that's the only setup that I am seeing that is almost forming. It's not formed yet. If I don't see any setup that is ready, I will just stay away from the market today. Okay, and then if I happen to see any, then I will let us know as things unfold. Okay, so have a very, very pleasant day today. Trade safe, trade small, take it gently. Okay, You're not the market maker. The market is stronger than you. Don't revenge.